Well friends, here's the next problem. The given problem is COAT, XLZZ and SHIRT and the question mark. To solve this, first let me consider the given question. I'll write the given letters as COAT and XLZZ. Now let me write the positions of these letters. Now what is the position of the letter C? Yes, of course it is 3. Now what is the position of the letter O? Yes, it is 15. Now the position of the letter A is, obviously it is 1. Now similarly, what is the position of the letter T? Yes, it is 20. Okay. Now let me write the position of these letters. Now what is the position of the letter X? Of course it is 24. Now what is the position of the letter L? Yes, it is 12. Now the position of the letter Z is 26. And the position of the letter G is how much? Yes, it is 7. Now see friends, the random numbers I am getting over here. Okay. Now what I'll do? Now first I'll add these two numbers. 3 plus 24. How much? What will get? It has 27. Okay. Next I will consider these two numbers. That means 15 plus 12. Now what is 15 plus 12? Again it is 27. Fine. Now let me consider the third numbers as 1 plus 26. What is 1 plus 26? Obviously it has to be 27. Look at here, I am getting same numbers as 27, 27, 27. Now let us check this. Let me add the fourth numbers. 20 plus 7. What is 20 plus 7? Again it is 27. Now when I add the numbers, what I am getting? I am getting it as 27, 27, 27 and 27. Okay. The same analogy I use here to get the missing letters. For that, let me consider the given letters as S, H, I, R, T. Okay. Now friends, now what I have to do? I have to write the positions of all the letters, right? But what I do, I use a smarter way. In that, I will not write the positions of all the letters. Rather, I will write the positions of only few letters. Let me write first, what is the position of the letter S? Yes, of course it is 19. Okay. Now anyway, sum I have to get it as 27. That means, how much should I add to 19 so that I get it as 27? I should add it as how much? 8. Right? If I add 8 to the 19, what I'll get? I'll get it as 27. Now what is the letter that is having position 8? Obviously it is H. Now look at the options. The first option is starting with F. That will be wrong. The second is starting with H. I will consider. The third is starting with H. Again I will consider. But the fourth is starting with G. Again I will delete this. Now when you compare the options 2 and 3, H is there. H is there. Yes. Yes. Similar letters are there. R. Once again the similar letters are there. Even I. There are similar letters. For that what I will do, as I said you, I will use a smarter way. Directly I will write the position of the last letter. That is the position of the letter T. Now what is the position of the letter T? Of course it is 20. Now anyway I have to get the total sum as 27. That means I have to add 7 to the 20. If I add 7 to 20, what I will get? I will get as 27. Now what is the letter that is having a position 7? Of course it is what? Yes, it is G. So Now look at the option 2 and 3. The last letter is T over here, which is wrong. The third option is having letter G at the last, which will be our right answer. So friends, whenever you come across with such kind of problems, use smarter way so that it may save your time and the same time can be used to solve some more problems in your examination. We will see some more number of problems.